We'll take a live look at the SPY as we consider our end of day trade on the 14 days to expiration trade. Looking to get in on this SPY 14 days to expiration. Why isn't this moving? Is it frozen in time? So 413.87, 414.11. See, we were missing some green action on the SPY. Trying to get to even today, isn't it? Not sure it's going to make it. We're at 2:58 p.m. 2 minutes to the bell tolls here on Wednesday, April 19th. And I want to get in on some SPY with my little eye action. Even though it's been red down for the most part of the last half hour, I'm still considering going in on the call side. I guess it's my bear bias. I've got a bear bias for the next few months, at least at this stage. So if we go out 14 days to May 3rd, and then tomorrow, the May 4th, will be released. So if we go out to May 3rd, we're on the call side of things. These are $10 wide. Yeah, I get to click the right buttons. No, you're right. You were right. You were just looking at the wrong side. What is happening? Where's all the action at? There is no action except for between 420 and 430. So we'd have to go 430. 430 to 440. I could way deal with that. What's the deal there? It's got a really low volatility, super high chance of profit. That can't be right. If we flip this, what does this change to? So if we got a covered call spread with a 21-cent credit between 430 and 440, that seems like crazy talk. We'll have to fill that though. We don't want to walk away from that, do we? Is it crazy to go 10 contracts? 210 on 10 grand? Review order. Call credit spread between 430 and 440. Let's see if we can fill it. It has filled, and that gives us our math, doesn't it? Let's check out the math because it's going to be like Looney Tune math. Looney Toony. $210 on 10,000 collateral equals 2.1% in 14 days. So divided by 14, multiplied by our annualized 365 is 54.7%. Actually, not as high as I thought it was, but that's pretty good. 54% annualized return on what would be considered a very conservative trade. Now, I could be writing my own obituary, and the market could be going like a rocket ship to the moon between now and the 14 days. But that's not what my investment thesis says. So there we have it. That is on the board. I'm excited about that trade. That was a nice gap of premium. Yes, it is $10 wide, which created our enormous amount of collateral for a one-day trade on the SPY, $10,000. But what we'll be looking to do is take that trade off before we even get to that date. Speaking of taking trades off, I think it's too late, isn't it? Is it too late now to say sorry? I was looking at this ABR, the Arbor Realty Trust. We traded one day when it was downtown to Chinatown. It's too late to make this trade now, though, isn't it? I was going to take that trade off, for say it was $25, which would be max, 10 contracts, 250. We made 450 on that trade, and that was April 10th. And today is only the 19th. Market's closed, though, right? Why didn't I hear the bell ring? Why didn't the bell toll? $0.05 increments. So we can do the 10, but I think you're think you are barking up the wrong tree because the market's closed. Release collateral of $7,500. Yeah, it's queued, so that'll be up for tomorrow. So we'll just leave it on the board. If it wants to close tomorrow morning at that number, because Arbor's up like over 5% today, then so be it. So that is our SPY trade of the day. I'm excited about that position. At the very moment, I'm excited about it. What time does Tesla report today? I think it's coming up. I know IBM is going to be going live any minute. We'll do it live, but the Tesla is, wait, we clicked on the wrong thing there. We clicked on the wrong search bar. We want to be in here to check the earnings that should show us the time on the Tesla. And that is April 18th at, what is happening? I thought they were reporting today after close. I'm all confused. Yeah, this is not right, is it? Let's go to here. What does this say? I mean, it's Yahoo Finance, both of them. That showed April 18th. This shows, of course, April 19th. That is today. It is trying to go downtown to Chinatown after hours. That does not make me feel good. Let's go to a regular Google search. Tesla earnings. I don't know why I don't have a time here. Why won't they tell me a time? Here it is. There you go. It's at 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, 5:30 Eastern. So we got our fingers crossed on that. And the reason is because we have a credit spread on the board right there, 155/148 expiring Friday. So unless things go bananas, we should be in good shape. Now, it could easily go bananas. And the problem with it going bananas is if the market does not like what Tesla has to say, Tesla could also bring a number of other stocks down, meaning the QQQs could be taking it on the chin tomorrow too. Tesla, for the most part, is considered a tech stock. I know you might be rolling your eyes, but that's what Elon told me. Hey, Bart, we are a tech stock. So the QQQs are down just a hair after hours. The problem, and I could still trade the Qs right now, according to what Robinhood told me. We could trade some credit spreads on the Qs. The problem with that, if we did it through Friday, the problem with that is the volatility with all the earnings going on. So if we did a put credit spread just to see, well, I mean, that's not enormous action, but it is only 2 days out. So I'll wait. We'll wait to see what Tesla has to say today. If the market likes what they have to say, then Tesla is going to be going up like a rocket ship. At least to, I would imagine, threatening 200 in the next couple of days. That's if they really like it. For some reason, I have a feeling they're not going to necessarily like it because Tesla has done some crazy things the last couple of days, in my opinion. But it could be old genius Elon just manipulating everybody. They have lowered the price of the Model 3 like twice in the last 10 days. That seems crazy to me, but we'll find out in about an hour and a half. So thanks for tuning in for the SPY trade of the day. And I'll check in again with you. Still going down. Why? Still going down because they're getting nervous. They're getting nervous. See this right there? Bang. Let's go to the chart. 1 day, 1 minute. Tried to sign off, but now I got butterflies. Oh boy. It's a battle. It is a battle of attrition between the Bulls and the Bears. Right now, the Bulls are winning. because it was already down 2% today. Now already down another 1.5, over 1.5 after hours. So we'll keep an eye on that. I will, at least. I'm sure you'll be checking in with the Tesla because, again, the effect that Tesla is going to have on the market is always interesting to gauge as well. And there we have it. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe, like, comment, share it with a friend. We'll see you in the next video.